going on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies2000s.com, and I'm going to show you one of my favorite apps to get paid for paying for receipts. It's called Coinout. I'll leave the link to it in the description. Completely free to sign up. So you're going to get paid here to take pictures of your receipts, and you're getting about 5 cents for every receipt that you get, which is really high. I'm going to show you the whole process as far as taking pictures and withdrawing your money. A couple other things you can do on this app, but that's the main thing that's this app offers is making money, taking pictures of your receipts. All right. So you see it there at the top. I have 4,980 points. That is equivalent to $4.98. Every day you can check in and you automatically get 3 cents. So just being on the app every day, that's 3 cents. So right there, I got 30 points, which is equivalent to 3 cents. Now I got over 5,000 points, and that's equivalent to $5, which is going to get me a cash out. But I'm going to show you how to take pictures of receipts. So basically just very simple. Just take a picture of the full receipt, making sure the store, the date, and the total can be clearly seen. Once all of those are green, you just submit it. I have another one that I'll submit. Again, same process, just making sure all clear, the store, date, total, all that. Doesn't matter what store you went to, doesn't matter how much you spent, or if you pay with cash or card, you're going to get paid 5 cents for every receipt. It is just that simple, all right? So I'm going to do one more receipt, and then I'm going to show you the cash out process, which is very easy. Again, just submitting this, push OK. And basically it takes them a few seconds or a few minutes for them to actually process the receipt. So it might not be instant with the processing, but regardless, you will get paid. You can also get these plays that they'll do where you can basically just kind of spin the wheel and get points every time. You're just basically just trying to see if you can win points by spinning it. You get these by checking in every day. So you get 3 plays for every day you check in. So I like to let them, kind of pile up. And that way I'll keep scanning it until I actually win something. Of course, you don't win all of them, but you will eventually win something depending on how many plays you have. So I'll just kind of keep going. It's usually like 10, 20, 30 points that I'll win every now and then. But hopefully I can win one of these. I'm going to keep trying because I really do feel like I'm about to win one of these. But again, this is just something that the app offers. Just kind of like free money on top of the receipts that you're getting anyway. So, all right. I've got 12 plays left. I know one of these coming soon. So, I mean, this is just reality of it. You're not going to win all of them, but just showing you that you will eventually win something. It's going to take, a good amount of plays sometimes. Sometimes it might take one play, but continuing to show you. All right, there. I got 10 points. So 1 cent, not a big deal, but again, just a little reward, a little bonus that they're giving you. So when it comes to withdrawing, you can withdraw at a minimum of $3. That is Amazon. You can do $5, Venmo, $10, $25, different ways you can cash out. But for me personally, I do the Venmo option because it's $5. I got other gift cards you can choose from, but I'll click on that and then just make sure it's the right thing. I'll click continue. And it says it takes 7 business days from the process. I will tell you right now, it has never taken me that long to receive my money. I usually receive it within the next hour or so. Not even that long, really, like in the next few minutes. So it's not really instant, but, they do pay you very, very quick. So it does not take 7 business days. They just tell you that just because in some very rare cases, it might take a minute. But me personally, I've never experienced that. All right. So this app, it has been around a very long time. I've literally been using this for, I'd say, well over 5 years. It has paid me on time every time. Good app. Like I said, 5 cents for every receipt that you get. That's really good money, in my opinion, because you will be surprised throughout the course of the week how many receipts that you get. And then just, letting it pile up, just taking a picture, 5 cents here, 5 cents there, just continuing to add up. I mean, you can be cashing out every week or every 2 weeks, $5, $10 here and there. So like I said, it's completely free. Take pictures of all your receipts, download it with the link in the description. And always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2000s.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.